Hello, this is Alin from MasterYourWeb. You're watching HTML tutorial for absolute beginners, and in this episode I'm going to ask you something really important. Alright, so actually it sounded way too much serious. But I have two things that I'll ask you to do so on this series. So the first one is going to be to ask you to write the code along with me, because in future videos we will be writing different pieces of code, so it's going to be really important if you could just follow along. The next point is going to be to ask you to do the exercises that I'll be giving you in future videos. Alright, but actually why should you do so? Well, actually it has been proven that programming is something that you learn by doing, and it has been demonstrating that if you code along with someone who is teaching you something about code, then it's gonna decrease a lot the time of learning a particular thing, and also it will increase the skill of writing the code. It's in a way similar to learning how to swim. You can watch different tutorials on how to do that, you might get an idea of how to do it, but if you don't actually go into the water and actually practice swimming, then you aren't going to learn it properly. The second point is going to be related to the exercises. So I'll try to give an exercise on each video or each couple of videos, of course, where this thing is going to be possible, and it's going to be really important for you to actually do those exercises. Most of them will be really simple, but it's going to increase the chances for you to learning something really quickly. Throughout my career, I have been practicing a lot with those two techniques, and they have been proven to be really efficient, so I strongly believe that they will help you a lot, because in the end we both want you to learn web development in an efficient way. So as a recap, it would mean a lot to me if you could code along with me, and also if you could do the exercises when I'll give them. That's all for this video, we'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the content and if you consider that it's at least 1% relevant, then please leave a like, a share, and subscribe to the channel for more content. We'll see you on the next one.